In this video, we are going to see how we can reconfigure the date settings in QuickBooks Online. So QuickBooks Online is basically a US-based software, and if you're using this in UK, India, or Pakistan, what you need to do is just change the sequence from month, date, and year to date, month, and year, because in the UK region or India region, we use date, then month, then year. So all of the Asian regions use this. Click on the settings to change this. Top right, just click here and click on accounts and settings. And from here on the left hand corner, we can see this advanced settings right here. Click on advanced and scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says other preferences, and the date format is set to month, date, and year. We need to change that. So we will change that to date, month, and year and hit done. Do you want to leave without saving? No, we want to save this. We can save this from here. Okay, we can save this from here. Any changes you make in the particular section will be saved from there only. Click on done, and that's how the settings will be saved. You can just confirm once again by going to the same area. And there it is. Similarly, we have many options here. Let's say that we are dealing in some other home currency, or we are even using multi-currency. We can enable that or change the home currency from here. So you can explore this advanced area, and that's how we can change the date format in QuickBooks Online. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.